If you need something like this and you don't want to hardwire mount into a panel of some sort, this is a great option. It gives you a little bit more flexibility if you need to move something around, which is exactly what I needed. And if you need to, you can always cut these off and go from there. It comes with an inline fuse, and this cap is on here very secure. I mean, I had a really hard time. The only way to really get this cap off is to pull from this end. I didn't get screwdrivers out, but it comes with a 20 amp fuse. You're gonna wanna make sure that it's properly rated. You can swap that fuse out, obviously, with something else if it does not meet the requirements of the system you're putting it in. So let's talk a little bit about how this all fits together. I'm gonna let you hear this. It's actually a pretty snug little fit. Noco makes a lot of good products.